taas. Punta sa taas. Yeah, that's the nice spot.
Yung dalawa. Historic place of Catalonia. Ah? Ay, sinalbagon. Mayroong nakabur... Ay, panagya. Ha? Naku po, nag-burlesque na, makukuhanan kita. Naku po, censored.
Mama. Stay there.
Makukuhanan ko siya, censored.
Stay there in the middle so that I can capture it.
Ah, Catalonia Plaza pala yun.
Hindi, yan.
Ayun
Hotel
yun.
yan.
Ayun yun. Catalonia.
Hotel.
Ah, Plaza Hotel, Catalonia Plaza Hotel. Nakalis na. Eh, naku po. Last time tumawad pa. Tumawad pa lalo.
Mamaya lang, dun na tayo sa taas.
Pwede tara sa taas. Pame.
Mama na lang.
May nag-aano pala ata siya eh.
Nabubuwang na.
Panaghiya mo. Naligo ba siya o ano?
Buti walang pulis.
Bawal yan.
Huli.
Huli. Eh, paano sira ulo eh? Hi, Sophia.
Video mo.
Hi, Sophia.
Yung pag ano niya, pag
Wow. Wow. Ganda.
here you stay there in the middle. We'll capture it. If you can.
Yes, you can.
I'll be there and you'll be down. But it's better. That's the nice. Dami ng stairs. Oh, there is.
Museo Nacional de
If you don't want to.
Art de Catalonian. Catalonia. Welcome to Barcelona. Catalonia, Barcelona. Let's explore the beauty. Hello, vlog. Wow, very nice place. Lots of people inside. You're going up. There's escalator going up. And there's a stair. Much better to go the stair because it's hard to walk. Very nice place.
I have one thing to